Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm the inventor of advanced soft tissue release ASTR specialty. I'm also a cancer survivor and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headaches, pain and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. Right, David, what's going on with your neck? What happened?
It's chronic pain. I injure it like maybe about once a month if I'm trying to work out.
A month ago, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's injury in the same location, upper back,
Okay.
left side. And it might have to do with my neck or my upper back, like what you're.
Okay. So how did you injure it?
If I'm at the gym, it could be a number of things. It could be if I'm doing a bench press, if I'm doing a military press, my upper shoulder or upper back always cramped in the same location, and it's always there. So I'm not quite sure.
So you have a constant pain. How much constant pain from 0 to 10?
On days that it's a good pain,
Okay.
maybe a 3 or 4.
Okay.
But on the really bad days, it'll range between 6 and 8 or 9.
Okay. How much pain do you feel right now?
Right now in the morning, after I shower and my body warms up, it's not too bad.
Okay.
Right now, maybe a 4, but as the day goes on and I start getting fatigued at school or at work, it becomes a 6, 7, pretty
6.
easily. Yeah.
What kind of pain? Sharp dull aching?
If I push my head down or if I try to go out this way or this way, the farther I go, the sharper the pain gets.
Where do you get it?
It would be close to my spine.
Yeah.
Yeah, close to my spine, but still in the left region, left upper region. Or if I'm driving for too long and I try to look over my shoulder, my blind spot, like there, it hurts.
So how much now? What do you turn?
So here it's still like a 4, but if I go up to here, it's 6, 7, and it starts shooting up.
So let's do the range of motion and give me your numbers, okay?
Okay.
Extend.
Here nothing.
Okay. Flex.
And that's where it starts, 6, 7.
6, 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Rotate left and right.
So here it hurts now, maybe 6 or so right here. This way, nothing.
Yeah, that's a little bit more. Side bend, left and right.
So
It's not
here I
too
feel
bad.
the strain. Right
Okay.
here. It's not horrible pain, but it doesn't let me go any
Side.
farther.
Okay.
And this way, I can just go that way. That's
Yeah,
about it. Yeah.
it's feel like stuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the pain's just going down this way.
Yeah, it shoots this way.
Have you had any treatment? This has been going on for almost some months.
I have a foam roller.
Okay.
That's pretty much
That's
it. Yeah.
Okay.
I can't really. I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, we'll work on it. So everything should be pain-free. Okay, is it okay to take your shirt off?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take your shirt off. And I will bring your chair forward a little bit. So I'm going to do a couple of tests first and take your range of motion before the treatment and after the treatment. Here you go. Just going to do a quick special test. Push my hand here. Push and relax. Let me know if you feel pain, okay? Okay. Is this relieving your symptoms?
It feels about the same right now.
Okay. No sharp pain going down?
No,
This,
but I
okay.
feel pressure here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to take your range of motion. Oh, she did not take it, okay. That's good. So we'll get a side view, okay? So let's flex your head down. Okay. Alright, so you can see actually this, so 20, this is 40 degrees here, 40 degrees. Go backward. Okay. That's not bad actually. Okay, and this is like 55 here, 55. Between 50 and 60, okay. I'm gonna do this top view. Okay. Turn your head to the right. So. Okay. So this is 65 here. 65. Turn it to the other way. It's not okay. And this is okay, so it's 35 here. Okay. Relax. 65. 35. So your left side is very tight. So side bend to the right. Sorry. So this one is 35. 1 second, sorry. Here you go.
Dominican.
Okay, 45. That's not bad, that's normal, okay? Let's go to the other side. It's not the best position, but here you go. And this one is 45. Not bad, okay. So most of your limitation is flexion and rotation this side.
Yeah.
Make sure what I'm doing is not painful. Okay. You feel this knot here?
Yeah. That's pretty bad.
Okay.
Yeah, so you do that when I feel it all the way up to here.
You feel pain?
It's not horrible pain, but I can feel it just shoot up.
Sorry. Okay.
I feel like a 3 out of 10 if anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know if this is too much. Okay.
Okay.
So instead of using my elbow, I'm just doing this to him. Because I'm trying to be nice. Is that too much or it's okay?
No, that's perfect.
Okay. Okay. I already felt it's gone actually. That's not. Can you tell the difference or? Yeah. You feel this little nod here?
Yeah.
It was bigger on the other side. Okay. So just gonna work on releasing that. Okay. So where you go to school?
Cal State LA.
What do you study?
I'm doing my bachelor's in business administration,
Nice.
marketing though.
Yeah. Cool. I don't know if it's too much. So you said, did you had any accident or trauma?
No, none. No trauma. Just.
So I'm trying to release this fascia here. It's really tight. It's not moving anywhere. Feel the mobility now. Now it's moving. Have you had any headaches?
I had one yesterday, but
Mm-hmm.
I drove about maybe 10 hours or so yesterday.
Wow.
So it's just from that, I believe.
Yeah. Where do you get the headaches?
Front, upper of about my forehead.
Here?
Yeah, above my
This area?
like the eye ridge.
Yeah. You feel the tightness here? This
Yep.
fascia is really tight here. Okay. Make sure this is not uniform. Okay. So it's a line going down this way, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's gonna feel cold, okay? Oops. Let's see. Feel that bump here?
Yeah.
That's the scar tissue.
That feels like a lot in there.
Yeah, yeah. So all that, like, this is the line, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And you see the redness, that's actually most of the scar tissue, where he has the redness here, here, this seemed to be okay. So a couple of things we can detect the scar tissue with ASTR tools. A little bit redness, you feel the bump, you know, the patient can feel it, and I feel vibration actually with the tools. The design and the material help me to really detect it very easily. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let me clean this up. Okay. So you said like you had like 4 out of 10 like constant pain, and it increased when you turn your head, yeah?
Yeah, that or with fatigue. Or
Yes.
definitely.
So what about the constant pain now? How does it feel? Let's turn your head until no.
So here it's great. It's no pain.
Mm-hmm.
Feels a lot looser now than I can.
You're not making faces, you see that?
No.
Yeah.
It's like very, very big. Maybe like a 1 out of 10.
Where do you feel it?
Just very deep inside the muscle.
Right in here.
Yeah, a little bit
Right
lower,
in-
like yeah.
Right,
That's
right in here. Yep, I'm gonna go here. Okay. You said it's right in here, yeah?
a little bit lower.
Here? Here?
Yeah, in there somewhere.
Right in here, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Right there.
Make sure this is not too much, okay?
Mhm.
So this redness should disappear in 10-15 minutes. Too much or it's okay?
No, that's great. Yeah.
Okay, let's we'll try it again. So turn left and right and tell me how that feel. How's that?
Yep, it's done.
Going further. Yeah. Other way.
Yeah, no pain here.
It's beautiful. Extend and flex. I think the flexion was the limitation.
Yeah. It feels looser though when I go up. I don't
Okay.
feel much tension back here when I.
Yeah, and go down.
Nope, no pain.
No pain?
Mhm.
Okay. Side bend left and right. That's beautiful. You're actually going further, yeah. That's nice.
And here, that same little tiny pain came back, but obviously a lot less.
How much?
Um,
You're going further, actually. Yeah.
maybe it's just a 2 if anything, maybe 1.
In
out of
that
10.
spot?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need this spot? I'm just joking. Okay, so I have one. Okay. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Right in here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure it's not too much, okay? Okay, so side bend now and tell me how that feel.
That's better. Yeah.
Gone or still feel it?
I didn't feel it that time. Was it? I don't feel it.
We don't feel it. Okay, let me take your range of motion again.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the numbers. So flexion was 40. Okay. So let's flex. Go down. Okay. All right. So that is 50 degrees here. Flexion. Okay. Extend. That was. Let's see. 55. Oh wow! Look at that. Oh. So this is 50, 60, it's almost 70 here, like 67. 78. You see, 50, 60, should be 70 here. 78, that's a good range of motion. Yeah. 78, and that's 50. Rotation was 65 this way and 35 this way. So let's rotate this side. I'm sorry. So that was 65, now it's 85. Here, because this is 9. Okay, let's go to the other side. That was 35. Okay. That was 35, now this is like 70, almost 70. 78, almost 78. All right. Your side of the knee, normal. Okay. All right, so let's move your neck left and right and tell me how you feel. And extend and flex. How's that?
Yeah, I don't feel the tightness anymore. That was.
Any pain or it's gone?
No pain anymore.
Yeah, beautiful. So, what do you think about ASTR treatment?
Well, it definitely works.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah.
I have a massage therapy background, but it's different doing it with your hands, and obviously you can't get the scar tissue.
So I worked on the scar tissue, and actually I worked on the superficial fascia, the operatic fascia, and the premiycin, endomycin, and I use those tools to do that. So it's definitely, yeah. Can you tell, like, from your background, what's different between using tools and just using your hand?
Well, I heard you comment that you can probably feel the vibration on the actual tool.
Yes.
So, although you can feel it on your fingertips, but I don't think you can go fast enough with your fingers.
Yeah.
Right? On tissue to feel that vibration.
Yeah.
So you'll feel individual knots, but because I guess it's flat, you're able to feel like exactly.
Give you more feedback.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
That might definitely be an advantage to using that for your hands.
And
it's not so much wear and tear on your hands.
Yeah. It's very easy to use this tool. Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool. That's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Awesome.
it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you.
Feel free to subscribe to my channel to get helpful tips on how to relieve pain. And if you are a healthcare provider and interested to be ASTR certified, you can follow the link below. You will get information on how to register for ASTR online class. There's over 40 studies that support ASTR treatment model, and also there's over 400 studies that utilize by ASTR treatment. And feel free to check over 220 videos that most of them actually real treatment videos. We'll see you soon.